In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaigns in Mailchimp. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and head into your account so you're on the main dashboard. From here, we'll work entirely within Mailchimp's campaign tools. Look along the top or left navigation and find the campaigns area. This is your home base for anything you send, and it's where you'll organize drafts, view performance, and create new emails. Go ahead and open campaigns so we can start fresh. Inside campaigns, click Create. This begins a new email campaign and takes you to a simple setup page. You'll see a place for an internal name. Click into that internal name field and type a clear descriptive name that makes it easy to recognize later. Think of it as a label for your team rather than something your audience will see. Good examples might include a date and purpose like April newsletter, spring launch. Keeping names consistent helps you quickly find and compare campaigns over time. Once your internal name is set, choose Begin. This moves you into the email builder where you'll choose a layout and start designing. You'll see a variety of starting points. Select Basic Layout. The basic option is a clean, flexible foundation that avoids unnecessary styling and lets your brand lead the way. It's perfect if you want full control over structure and content without wrestling with heavy, pre-built designs. Now choose the layout that best fits your message, such as a single-column newsletter or a layout with a prominent hero image and supporting text. After you've decided, select that layout and click Apply. This loads the template into the editor and gives you a live canvas you can modify. If you ever change your mind, you can switch layouts before you add too much content, but picking one now helps you focus on writing and visuals instead of structure. With your layout in place, it's time to customize the email. Click directly into the sections on the canvas to edit headlines, body text, and buttons. Replace placeholder text with concise, reader-friendly copy that highlights the value of your message in the first few lines. Drop in your logo and choose brand colors for consistency. Keep paragraphs short, use clear calls to action, and remember that many subscribers read on phones, so aim for scannable content and tap-friendly buttons. Add descriptive alt text to images so your message remains clear even if images don't load. To expand or refine your design, navigate to the Content Blocks panel. Here, you'll find drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, dividers, social links, and more. Drag the block you need onto the canvas, then click to edit its content and styling. Use buttons for primary actions, dividers to create visual breathing room, and social links at the footer to encourage ongoing engagement. A simple hierarchy works best: headline, short intro, key points, and a single clear action. If you want to adjust structure, go to blank columns. These blank column blocks let you create 2 or 3 column sections for side-by-side content, like an image next to text or a row of featured items. Columns help shorten long pages and make comparisons easy, but don't overuse them. Too many columns can feel crowded on mobile. Keep the most important content in a single column near the top, and use columns for supporting details below. Once your content looks polished and consistent, click Save and Exit. This saves your work and returns you to the campaign overview. Take a moment to scan what you've built and confirm everything aligns with your goals and brand guidelines. If something needs a quick tweak, you can jump back into the editor and adjust it. When you're confident your campaign is ready, click Send. This final action delivers your email using the settings you've prepared for the campaign. Stay focused on clarity, relevance, and a strong call to action, and you'll set yourself up for better engagement the moment it reaches inboxes. That's it. You've created and sent an email campaign in Mailchimp.